let's create this connecting rod cap. So just we will enter into here new part. Let's say okay. Now to create this, we are going to create this profile first. First I will go for top plane sketch. By using this center point straight slot, just I will create this shape. Then dimension for this we are having radius of 9 with a length of 76. Radius of 9 with a length of 76. Exit sketch, make it isometric, extrude boss. So total height we need here 60. Let's give height of 60 here. Let's say okay. Then next to that we are going to remove with this circle shape and again this shape also. Now on the front plane again we'll go for sketch, make it normal. We need one center point arc exactly from this horizontal to horizontal, and we'll create one line from this point to point. So we need dimension for this inner curve with radius of 27 like this. Then this riv also we need to remove material. Just we'll go for line. I'll create this shape like this. Then dimension for this vertically we are having 22, horizontally we are having 27. This is vertically 22, horizontally we are having 27 like this. Then same profile we need this side. So to make that mirror, just we'll create one center vertical line for construction purpose like this. Then mirror entitles this entire part we need to make mirror with reference to this one. Let's say okay. Exit sketch, make it isometric. We'll go here with extruded cut by using mid plane on both the directions, and let's say okay like this. Then next to that, as you can see here, double curves we are having with a total width of 38. So exactly on front plane again we will go for sketch. Instead of drawing the circle again, select that, convert entitles. Then same curve we need one more with gap of inner one we are having 27, outer one we are having here 36. So gap we are having here 9 mm. We will go for offset entitles for this with gap of 9. Let's say okay. To make it closed profile, just we'll create one line from this to this, one more line from this to this, then exit sketch, make it isometric, extrude boss by using this mid plane. Total this width we are having here 38. Let's give this width of 38 and let's say okay. Like this. Then next to that, we are having here fillets with radius of 10 mm. Let's apply that radius of 10 mm fillets. Fillet we need exactly for this edge and this edge with radius of 10. Let's say okay. Then one more we are having here. As you can see, this edge we are having with radius of 3. Fillet we are having for this external edge, this edge and this edge with radius of only 3 mm. Let's say okay, like this. Then at the end we are having here two holes, one with a diameter of 9. Same here also we need one more. Now let's go for hole wizard. Legacy hole with a diameter of 9. Depth should be up to next. Position we need exactly on this face, that too exactly on that center point. If you go on curvature, it will highlight point. One click here. Same this side also, exactly center of this. Here one click. Let's say okay. Like this we can create this connecting rod cap. So just we'll apply some color for this and we will save it. Appearance. Just we'll give some color. Okay. Save it. Thanks for watching.